Dürnstein.
Dunstein.
You're going to see the name.
Beautiful. And you probably have a lot of towns like this in Austria, don't you?
Oh yeah. Here in the Valley, maybe like this. South of Austria also still.
They grow a lot of white wine here. White grapes for white wine. Walking up to the valley, up to the little town there now. Going to spend an hour here. And my friend, what is this town called again? Dunstein. Did I pronounce that correctly?
Yeah.
Very beautiful, beautiful town. I'm just getting a coffee to go here. Just entered Dunstein. Dunstein, right?
Dürnstein, yes.
Dunstein. See how my German's coming along?
Oh, yeah.
Up until a couple days ago, I don't even know a couple words. Danke.
Improving rapidly.
Danke and kindergarten.
You got the basics.
I know 2 words. Danke and kindergarten. And Oktoberfest, there's 3. Oh, we got a little entering the town of Dunstein. We got a little player, accordion player. Nice little cobblestone streets. Just walking through this little wine town here, Duchenstein, I believe they called it. I now know 3 German words. And my accordion player friend just started playing again. I tipped him €5. I always like to tip the buskers, since God knows I have no musical talent. Such a pretty little town, I tell you. Too bad the sun's not out today. Lots of history here. Medieval town. Medieval town with its own ATM. Is that convenient? Got all the amenities of civilization without civilization. Castle up on the hill. Nice old cobblestone streets. That's how you know this place is old. Best to watch out. Love these old Bavarian style houses. Castle up there, like I said. Up here in the Wachau Valley, watching one of these river cruises going through. Interesting, the fields here kind of remind me of what you see in some areas of Colombia. Not that they're growing grapes in Colombia, but very peaceful and quiet. Hopefully that sun comes out. There I am there. Just enjoying Duckstown. Cooler kind of day. 21, 22 degrees. If that. At least that's what the prediction is. Wine tours right there.
Did y'all know there's an easy way and a hard way? Oh.
Here's some souvenirs. In particular, I like this. Oh, look at that. That's a nice shirt right there. I like this one here, though. No kangaroos in Austria. I guess the Austrians, when they travel, they get a lot of people confuse Austria and Australia for some strange reason. Do you want to talk about anything about your product that you have? This is your product here, Marion Schnapps. Do you have any, what can you tell us about it? It's local.
Oh,
And it's organic, right?
It's local. It's from the Wahal.
Wahal, yep.
Called the little region here.
Yep.
And all this is homemade.
Okay. And here's your amigo. It's a nice little tour of that town, Dorthenstein. I think that's how they pronounce it. Beautiful, beautiful little town. Couldn't imagine living in such a beautiful place like that. Danube River. There's the, looks like the tour boat right there. Going up. Beautiful area. Swiss Crown. That's a good name. That is a good name. And we got the little town, Spitz here. Very similar to the other little town, I guess. Little wine town. On board the boat here, they got a, looks like a buffet set up down there. And here we go now. Just taking off. Leaving the dock. Leaving the town of Spitz, which sounds very familiar. I know that name somewhere. Now they tell me that the Romans were here 2,000 years ago and were actually the original agrarians for the wine harvesting that goes on now. And I can also see that these hills are just dotted with all kinds of historic and medieval castles and artifacts. About an hour and 40 minutes to the Melk Abbey. In the meantime, sit back, have a couple drinks, enjoy the Austrian wine country, and take a look around the boat here. I'm gonna have some food here shortly. Looks like they're setting up for some sort of buffet or something, so that should be good. Or maybe I'll just get a nice hamburguesia con queso hamburger with cheese.